right, what's up everybody? So we're here on another episode of, I don't even know what this show is called yet, so whatever it is. But anyways, we're gonna be taking my other car to the track and we're gonna be having some fun with it. Since I got the GTR, I haven't really driven it much because the GTR is so much fun, but what I'm pretty much planning on doing is taking my beat up vet, aka beat up vet, taking it to the track and do some drift stuff with it because I got a little drift setup in it. Nothing too crazy, literally just an angle kit, hydraulic e-brake, and yeah, that's about it. But yeah, no, it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm looking forward to it. If you haven't seen Beat Up Vet before, here she is, Beat Up Vet. Gorgeous, gorgeous Corvette. She's beat up in some ways. As you can see, look at that splitter right there. Splitter's all crazy, all beat up and stuff. Missing like pieces to the pie are missing, you know, all these little inner stuff all gone because she gets used. I mean, over 200,000 miles on this LS7 supercharged. I put the supercharger on at 184,000 miles. It has 206,000 miles on it. Nice little camo wrap on it. Thing makes a 580 to the wheels when she's feeling good, but right now the motor's a little down on power because it needs to be refreshed, so it's not making 580 wheel. But it can still spin the tires pretty good when we go drifting, and I am looking forward to it. So we just arrived to Willow Springs International Raceway. Pretty cool track, so much history here. The cool thing about this place is there's a lot of different tracks here. So you have Big Willow, which is not this one. Big Willow's on the other side. This is Streets of Willow right here. Big Willow's on the other side. You have Balcony up top. A lot of drifters know about Balcony. Right now we're at Walt James, which is a pretty good little drift track for people just trying to test their cars, learn a few things, all that stuff. So I'm here at Walt James. Want to learn a lot with the Corvette. Goal is I need to make sure I drive this thing home today, so I'm not gonna go all crazy out and try to stuff this thing, even though there's not really much you can really hit out here, although you can get the thing pretty dirty if you go into the dirt. So I'm trying to stay away from the dirt, but should be pretty fun. There's a lot of track day stuff going on here. We got people at the karting track, track day going on at Streets of Willow behind us. We got track day going on at Big Willow. There's a whole bunch of car activity. That's why I love SoCal, because it is like car heaven out here. So anyways, gotta start unpacking some stuff, getting ready to get this thing on track. So right now, we're walking on the track so I can give you a little, run around this track and show you what basically we're drifting on. So this is Walt James Stadium. It's just a little, I think it's like a 3/8 mile track, oval track here at Willow Springs. As you can see, I don't think they use it for any circle track racing anymore, just more for drift stuff. So maybe some drift competitions and just testing and stuff like that. But you can see the track right here. It's in some, it's in old condition. It's an old track, but it still does the job. At the end of the day, you got some really long sweeping corners here for the 3/8 mile oval. You have the center section there where you can do some switch around, whatever you want to call it. I don't know drift terminology. I know NASCAR terminology. I just don't know drift terminology. So whatever you want to call it there. Transition. Do some transitions in there. There you go. But yeah, no, it's a pretty cool track and a lot of fun. Watch some videos on YouTube to figure out how to get around this place. I mean, obviously it's not complicated, but I want to see what people are doing and try to mimic it. Try to mimic it. It's a good time. A lot of rocks on the track though for people going off. I went off a few times. I'm sure I probably, I could throw some dirt on here too. But anyways, cool track. That's the layout right there. Walt James Stadium. tires. Good, I'm gonna show you some other tires here that we have doing pretty much done for the day. Look at this. I guess I was overheating them, so the tires pretty much just came apart. It's all good. I learned a lot. Had some fun. First time on an actual track drifting. And this stuff is pretty cool. Really fun day. Corvette did take a beating though. This thing was pretty beat up that. Now it's pretty beat up. Look at that. Front splitter. What's front splitter? There's no more front splitter. Look at that. Half the splitter and the other half gone. That's because I went into the dirt a few times because I was pushing it. That's what you do when you gotta learn this. Learned a lot. The car's in one piece and it will drive home. That's a key. Drive home. No trailer for this thing. No trailer. This thing will drive home. Beat up that. Guys, that's here at Walt James Stadium here at Willow Springs National Raceway. Good times coming back and try the Corvette again. You know, hopefully I learned some things that I can apply next time. But really good times. Beat up Vet was the star of the show. She had a good time, even though she's more beat up now. But the supercharger was whining like crazy, which was awesome. Corvette did well. We actually drove the car too, did awesome. Fun times. Anyways, catch y'all later. So, people probably looking at me crazy. They're like, is he really eating fried chicken on a Godzilla GTR? Heck yeah, I'm doing it. I'm eating freaking gas station chicken because I'm hungry. On my GTR, and I don't care. You know what? It's a car. It's gonna be all right. So good. So good. Yeah, biscuit in there too.